Welcome friends to Excel beginners and advanced tips. In our last video, we learned how to add, update, delete and search our record through search box, and we also learned how to create a list box in the user form. And now we just try to search the record not by the search box, but from the list, because just for an instance, emp1, suppose we say emp4, we have only two records, emp1 and 4. Just for see, every corresponding field has come to the text boxes, and this is happened through the search box. And this action, this action will be completed by clicking the list items in the list boxes, and therefore I need to delete the search box first. Then I want to write the code here against the click event, in the click event of the list box. So just for now, deleting the search box here, just click on the frame and delete it. And now to display the codes, just see, if I click emp1 here, all relevant data will be displayed in the text boxes here. If I click emp4 here, all relevant data field will be displayed in the text boxes. So to do that, we need to write code in the click event of the list box here. Just double click it to open its click event. See list box 1 and click event, and we need to apply here a for loop. Say for, just small letter. It should be it's a better practice to write in small letter. For x, say x is a variable, is equal to 0 to list box 1, the name of the list box actually, that is list box 1 dot list index. And before that we need a label here, just to display the code, because if we click here, just deleting it, cut it will be necessary later. Just see again, if we click here, I want the EMP code to be displayed in level 13 here, and name, address and contacts and salary will be displayed in the text boxes above. So for that I took the level that is level 13, and I can change its name, suppose LBL EMP code, and deleting its caption. So the name of the label has been changed as level EMP code, LBL, actually LBL EMP code. And now going to this click event and pasting that was deleted, that was previously cut, and then LBL EMP code dot caption, the name of our level, is equal to list box 1 dot list box 1 dot list index comma 0 and typing next. In this code only the EMP code will be displayed on the level that was created on the list box. So let's see so far the code is working or not. Just click on the list. Yes, EMP1 is displayed here, and click on the EMP4. Yes, it is EMP code is displayed here. So it's working in good condition, working perfectly. And now we want other things. Other things means the other fields. For other fields, just to describe this code, we want lbl code.caption to display this line of code, because this line of code means listbox1.list. Listbox1.list, which is the listbox1.list index. Actually it is the row, it is the first row, and comma column number is 0. Here first column denotes by 0 in the list box, and second column obviously 1. And which is the field in the first column of list box? Just see, the first column is EMP code, because this is the first column. It denotes by 0, and name will be denoted by 1, and address will be 3, like this, because list box starts from list index starts from 0. 0 means first column and 0 means first row. Hence see, listbox1.list index, this is the first row, and is 0 because it is the first column, comma 0 means is the first column, that is EMP code. And then for displaying other fields, we can copy it and we want to display in our text boxes. So starting from text box 1, text box 1 dot value, we can say this is the value. And what would be the value of text box 1? The value of column 2 of list box, that is the index of column is 1. Okay, and similarly we can copy for the next text box, for our next text box, that is 2, and for column 2, and then again copying it for column 3. Text box 3 dot value will be the list index of column 3rd, and again copying it. We have 4 text boxes to display our records, and the list box dot list index, and the column, which column will display? Column 4 of the list box will be displayed. This is for displaying all the fields of list boxes within our level and the text within our level and respective text boxes. So just run it. Let's see what happens. If I click on EMP1, let's see. Yes, everything is displaying perfectly. That is, EMP code is displaying here on the level EMP1, and name Tamal, India, contact and salary. All the relevant records are displaying in the level as well as in the text boxes. Say click on the column list item 4, EMP4. Yes, EMP4 is displaying in the level, the code is displaying in the level, and other fields are displaying in the respective text boxes. So thus friends, we can display our relevant records in the text boxes and anywhere in the form by use of labels and text boxes without the help of search box, without the help of any search text box. Just click on the records in the list box, we can display it as we want. So this is our first task, to display the relevant data into the text boxes and within the level we created. And friend, now I want, as we click on the record of the list box, everything, every relevant fields will display, and with that the image of the employee is also display here. Image of the, if there is any image of the employee, it will also display in the blank area here. So for displaying image of the employee, we need an image box. So just going back and we can take it little upper here level, just, and we can drag the buttons for because we need some space to create a image box. Here I am going to here I am going to our controls, that is image control. I need to draw a image control. Click on the image control and drag it. This is our image box, friend, and here I want to display the image. Here I want to display the image as I click on the list item, as I click on the record, the corresponding image will display on the image box here. So let's try to do that. Just going back, we can do it, we can write code for this in a module. So just inserting a module here to display the image. So insert, we have only 5 modules, it will be 6. Insert a module for displaying image. Say module name, that is sub image view. Say this is the name of our module. We will write code for displaying our image to the module, and say we need a for loop here. Again, just type it, last row is equal to sheet 1 dot cells. We can copy it from our program, but typing it, okay, rows dot count 1 dot end excel up dot row, and for we got our last row of the database, that is sheet 1, where data is existed, and then we are applying a for loop here for x is equal to, from we know that we will start from the third row to last row, and then if, here we need if we want to match the primary field, that is EMP code, with the EMP code displayed on the level of the form we used just before. So just write the code, then I will discuss it. Sheet 1 dot cells x comma 1 like what was the name of the label? LBL EMP code. Then what will happen? Then we can declare a variable where our from where we need to where our picture or image file will be located. My pict, say my pict, we can say my pict is equal to sheet1 dot cells x comma 5, because we want to hold the picture file in the fifth column of the row. That means instead of salary we will display we want to keep the image file. We want to replace the salary field with the image file field, okay, with the image. So just for now I am typing the code here, and then okay, end if, okay, and next. And for displaying it, can say user form 2, because we are working with the user form 2. Image 1, the name of the image box is image 1, picture is equal to load picture my pict. Hope this will work and ends up. So before running the module we can change it. We have to change the salary field. We need to write here image file, here in the text box we need to write image file. We need to change it with image file. Okay, let's going to the salary, and here we need the image file. Okay, we can rename it. So let's update it. It will be better. Just clicking here, and image file. Where we will find the image file? Say we have how many? Is there any image? Yes, I have only image cat, dog, parrot. So let's say Tomal, the name of the employee is cat. Okay, say cat, and image file. What? Just delete it, and we take the image file from our folder. That is the path. That is the video is the path, and image file name is cat dot. This is the JPG. So write the name like this. Just slash what cat dot jpg, and we want to update it. No, actually we need to change the update here. For updating we like textbox 5, because textbox 5 is not here. It has been deleted because it was the search textbox. So write label LBL EMP. We are checking with the EMP code here, not with the textbox 5, because it was deleted. It was the textbox 5 was in the search box. Textbox 5 was used in the search box. As I deleted the search box and took a label in the form name LBL EMP code, and EMP code is being displayed in this level, so I have to check it. I have to match the record in the level with the list box, or with the sheet column, EMP code and level. Okay, again running it. Now let's try, is it changing or not. Say cat and say what we paste it, d video, then cat dot jpg. Let's try to update. Yes, it has been updated. Let's try first one, then if it works, then I will try for the next, for the others. So let's try for first. Just see our module here. What was the name of the module? I am image view. Just copy it and go to the form here and double click the list box, and we can call it here. We can call it here on the click event of the list box. Say now try to now click here and see. Let's what happened. Click on the EMP1. Say cells CE, spelling mistake, CE double L. Okay, save it. Again going, now click on the not picture is not coming. Friends, just take it, just a font, just change its alignment. If it is a text, so you have to align it left. So let's run again, see what happens. And if the file path is correct, it should be displayed. Not file path, I think is not correct. So let's copy it, copy cat. Okay, just taking your time. And what was the file path? Okay, oh, we need to go to the module here. We need to enter the file path correctly in our just editing it. Okay, run it, image view. Okay, let's see what happens. Yes, it's running. Then going here, video cat dot jpeg. It should be displayed in the list in the image box. So let's try again the code. We need if function here. We need if function is given here in the module. Okay, module. If sheet1 dot cells likes LVL EMP code, then my pict is equal to sheet1 dot cells comma 5, and if next user form, like here we can say user form, because user form 2 dot EMP code, because there may be other user forms. So just correcting the labels like this. Again we can run it. Yes, it has come. Our formula works correctly. So where was the problem, friends? Problem was in the module, because we did not write the actual user form where our label is situated, located. Here I wrote the code, I wrote the name of the user form, that is user form 2. There may be other user forms, so it cannot be recognized by the program, by the compiler, if you don't give the name of the user form. Okay, it's working. And now let's do for the others. It's very easy. Just click it. Oh, sorry. Just change the rename. Just rename. Yes, we want to rename. Just rename the other ones. We can also rename it. Okay, like this. And if we copy it, say we have other videos like dog. Okay, jpeg. In our next emp, that is Messi, we have to change the name. We have to rename Messi. Okay, just deleting the dog first because we don't want. Now we will, at first we will change the name of the employee first. Just click on the Messi and say our employee is dog. Okay, and image file is, what will be the image file? Image file, we can take it parrot. Okay, go to the property and see again the video, just copy it and see parrot is the name of the file and jpg is the extension, image file. Okay, just friends, we are learning things, so it may take some time. The video, what was the name of the file? Parrot dot jpg. Just update it for second, that is for emp4. Yes, emp4. Yes, parrot has come. To view the clear image of the parrot, or to view the clear image in the image box, we can change the property of the image. That we click on the image and go to its property, and picture mode, we can picture size, we can select option 1. What was in option 1? Picture size mode, search one frame picture size, that is this. We can select 1 instead of 0. So just drag it, the bar, property window. Let's see what happens. Image view. Okay, run. Just going to our form and select emp dog. Yes, dog. We need to dog Argentina. Not it should be changed. I need to change the emp as parrot. Update it, parrot. Okay, next, see again, parrot come in the text box and in the image box also, the image of the employee. If we select emp1, this is cat, and cat is displaying here. Again we can add another employee, like say here we can want to add it. Just add, just first delete it first. We have the same. Okay, delete it, or not, just delete. If you want to delete, same text box, there is no text box. Take 5 label lbl emp code, then it will be deleted. It was a label we want to delete it. Just select delete, third record will be deleted. Okay, now we want to add another record, that is say our next employee is dog. Address suppose London. Contact suppose, an image file, just taking the image property is also D video, and okay, image file name is dog and extension is JPG. Okay, just remember it, it's easy. Just D colon, you can type it, D colon video, just type the path dog.jpg. let's try to add it. Yes, we added dog. Now click on the dog, see what happens. Yes, dog, the image of our employee has come. So thus we can view the image of respective name, again image of respective names or employees or anything that we want, like this: emp1 cat, emp2 parrot, and emp3 dog. Thus we can display the images from clicking the by clicking the list of the list boxes here. And if we add it, another record may add into the list box. So to get rid of this, we can deactivate the add button when we click on the list box. Okay, so just to deactivate it, we can also write what was the name of our friends. We are just trying to learn the things, so I'm taking little bit more time. So what is the name? CMD add. Let's say CMD add. It will not be enabled. It will be disable when we click on the list items. Okay, let's go into the list box code. So emp code, what was the name? cmd code dot, no, I forgot it again, I have to go there. What was the name? Oh, cmd add. Okay, cmd add dot visible is equal to, oh, cmd visible true not, cmd dot disable, enabled is equal to false. Just now go there, see, if I click add button, there is no chance to add duplicate data here. And here we can take another button to refresh and refresh the page, and when we refresh the page, this add button will be enabled and everything will be cleared from the text box as well as from the image box. So let's take a command button here and drag it and say the name is refresh, refresh. We will design the buttons later, just for now we want to execute our codes correctly. So if double click on the refresh and say cmd add dot enabled is equal to true, and we can for refresh we can unload user form, unload user form 2, as we working with user form 2, and again user form 2 we can write dot show. Okay, let's see what happens. Say cat, the add button is disabled, and if we click on refresh button, let's see what happens. See, everything gone and add button has been activated. That means it has been enabled. Again we click on parrot emp2, add button going disabled, and click on the refresh button, everything will be refreshed. So this is our task for today, friend, and we saw that how we can search our required data from clicking the list of the list boxes, and then we learned how to display required data, how to display the required image in the image box, related image. Actually it's related image, cat, dog, it's cat, just refresh it, cat, parrot and dog, just displaying the related image. Friends, you need to remember that everything was searched with this level, that is emp1. Here you can see on the top of the top right, that is the level is being shown here, because we checked everything with this level. That is, you can see here emp1 is written on the top right. Just click on the emp2, that top right, this level. If this level match with this level of the list box, then everything will be done, otherwise nothing will be done. So we have to match the emp code with the emp code as we see on the top of the form. And if you don't want to display the emp code, we can also disable its visible property. It will work behind the screen, but for looking good, for decent looking of the form, we can also disable we can also disable its visible property at the time of initialization. So let's see, just copy and go to initialize and say dot visible is equal to false. It will not be visible, but will work from behind. Could not find the specified. Initialize. We can also do this code dot caption dot visible. Say what happens. Embed not working here, just delete it. If you don't want to visualize this, so if we don't want to visible it, say what is the name, lbl, going to the initialize and say just again dot visible is equal to false. If we write false, then what happens? Yes, it has gone. Parrot, again changing its property. Okay, we did not save the refresh button. Where is the refresh button gone? It's deleted. My goodness. So let's take another button here. Refresh. Just yes, say button deleted. Okay, refresh. Okay, and parrot, oh, just change its property, picture size 1 framed. Okay, say yes, this cat, this is parrot, and this is our dog. Refresh it. So friends, see the level, that is EMP code, the level is not seen here. Thus we can design our forms to so that it look better and better. Okay friends, so this is this is our task for today. Hope this will be little beneficial for you, and if it is, please subscribe this channel so that we can create more and more videos of